I thought I could guard myself from love, so that it wouldn't make me suffer too much. But now I know, well, in truth, that no one can protect themselves from it. Since I cannot stop loving her, who does not deign to keep me, and because she turns away and gives me no warmth for loving too much, I will have to die, for no other love can make me happy, and this one I cannot have. And when I think to distance my body from her, I cannot part it, I cannot move it from her. And when I beg her to stay, she wants to hear nothing but words. Nothing but words, hey, hey, hey. Nothing but words, hey, hey, hey. I would very much like to be alone with her, but I have neither ease nor opportunity. And if I cannot have any other joy, it pleases me greatly when I gaze at her. It makes my whole heart rejoice when I can see her great beauty. For this, because she makes it seem that it bothers her, since I cannot enjoy anything else. For this, she ought, if it pleases her, to help me. My lady knew how to steal my heart so gently, with a beautiful pleasure that never afterwards, through pain or fear, could I ever part myself from her. Hey, ho, ho! She makes me languish in great pain. She could easily heal me, but she does not wish to. And since she does not want to give me any good, let her allow me to love her without keeping anything. And at night, when I think to sleep, my spirit goes to lie with her. I think to hold her between my arms, and of the joy I have, I weep and sigh. For this I should thank my lady, that she stays in my heart morning and evening. Since love made me choose her, I want to remain in her mercy. I want to remain in her mercy.